So Melania Trump's NFT sale ends in tears as Soul crashes. So you guys, your bike keys are back on CoinMarketCap News, live on CoinMarketCap News, market musings, article by Connor Sefton. So you guys, you want to click on the big red subscribe button down below this video so you get notified whenever we drop awesome content. So heading back to the news, it says here that Melania Trump's collection hasn't performed anywhere near as well as she hoped. Former First Lady, however, was auctioning off three items: a white hat she wore during a 2018 visit to France, a watercolor painting of her wearing the hat, and an exclusive digital artwork NFT with motion. So opening bids for the head of state collection were set at the cash equivalent of $250,000, and bids were only accepted using the native token of the Solana blockchain. Unfortunately for Trump, just 5 offers above the starting price of 1,800 have been made, and a sharp fall in the value of means she will only receive $163,800 at current prices. The Trump had raised eyebrows when she announced that a portion of proceeds from the sale would be used to educate disadvantaged children, and didn't disclose how much she intended to keep. You guys, we have a CMC's podcast here. You want to check it out? Usually very informative. What now? So after a bout of bad luck sparked by the recent crash in cryptocurrencies, Trump has a choice to make: hold on to the soul in the hope that it starts appreciating again, or cut her losses and sell. Our CoinMarketCap data shows that at the time of writing, SOL is trading at $92.19, down 65% from all-time highs of $260 set on November 6. The Solana has been touted as an Ethereum killer, and the project itself bills as the fastest blockchain in the world. So the project claims to settle transactions faster and far more cheaply, meaning it is potentially better suited for NFT traders and DeFi games. And there's a catch: so that's falling 32% over the past 7 days, far from more than other cryptocurrencies in the top 10. So while some of these losses can be attributed to the sell-offs gripping the markets, Solana has also been grappling with yet more major network outages that are undermining confidence in the project. So guys, that's all. Today, Shiva Keys. Stay tuned for more. Peace out, and see you in our future uploads, guys.